Hello and welcome to the Pannonic Mechanic. As you see, this Casio Pro Trek needs new batteries and I will replace them now. Here are the 4 batteries. The best tool for removing them is a needle. After we remove the old batteries, now we'll assemble the new batteries. After battery replacement, it's necessary to do a reset, because as you see, the watch doesn't work. Here's a label which says, after battery replacement, contact AC with battery plus using tweezers. I don't have tweezers, but I have this here, that will also work fine. Now look where AC is. Battery plus is here on each battery, and AC is, here you can read AC, and here's a little graphic, AC to battery. Let's try this plate with battery plus. Let's see if this is enough. No, maybe AC is one of the points here. Let's try this. Yes, as you see, success. Now we can adjust the watch. Now let's put the watch back together again. Yes. Ah yes, great. I have my favorite watch again. I hope you liked this video. Maybe you can give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.